Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Uckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Friday, June 20th. Another record day, looks like we could have a record week. The E-mini S&P 1950 and a quarter, new highs yesterday, up only 1 and a quarter, somewhat of a muted day. The high was 1952 and a quarter, the low was 1944, so only an 8-point range, but again, a new record close and new record highs. The Dow not faring so well, up 15 at 16,833, but still off of the records there. The Nasdaq posted new decade-plus highs at 3803 and a half yesterday, new higher highs. Did back off and close lower at down 6 3/4 at 37.89. The dollar index was a story, had a slide there, down 27 at 80.40. The low yesterday was 80.24, so coming back to that 80 pivot that we're going to keep a close eye on. The euro currency surged up 48 above the 136 level, 136.11. The high of the session is 136.48 as the euro is trying to bottom from a technical standpoint. Bonds were off 14, 135.08. Crude oil added 45 cents at 106.05, but still not extending an upward movement with all the volatility in the Middle East and really not pressing lower, holding that 105 support. Yesterday's low was 105.10, yesterday's high was 106.40. And the big mover of the day, the headliner, gold up $41 at 13.14, got as high as 13.22, coming back to that breakout point at $1,300 an ounce. Now we'll look to see what it does again on that key weekly pivot at 1300. So after another record high day yesterday, where did the market stand on this Friday morning to end the week? Well, we're positive, 1951 up 1 in the E-mini S&P. Let's remember 1925 or so was last Friday's close, so we're significantly above right now with this session to go on a weekly basis, significantly above where we closed last Friday. Dow up 9, 16,842, Nasdaq up 3 at 37.92. The dollar is steady, up 4 points at 80.44, so therefore the euro is down 4 points at 136.07. We've got bond market off 2 at 135.06. The yield on the 30-year Treasury is at 3.47%, and the highly watched 10-year note right now is at 2.62%, holding solidly above the 2.5 pivot that we've talked about. Crude oil doing nothing, unchanged right now at 106.05, and gold, after the big surge, is down $3 at 13.11, still solidly above $1,300 an ounce. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, the E-mini S&P is up 1 point as it stands right now, and the Dow futures right now are 9 points higher as we go into the Friday session. I will see you early Monday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Uckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.